In this video, we're going to quickly take you around Union Station in Chicago, which is the third busiest train station in the United States. Let's go check it out.
We just got here on track 26 to 28. This is the arrival luggage area. We're gonna head over to the main hall and show you guys what that looks like. Food court is up above, and the Great Hall is also straightforward. Why don't we go to the Great Hall first, and then we'll check out the food court. This is the baggage claim area of the Union Station. We're gonna go keep following sign to the Great Hall. Alright, so this is Amtrak ticketing.
Also baggage check-in.
Alright, where's the Great Hall out here? Oh, I see it. Chicago Union Station, 1991. Alright, let's go to the Great Hall. So this is where we came out of to all trains. Look at the ceiling. Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
And you can see the Metropolitan Lounge with the line in front of it. Oh yeah, first impression.
Wow, this is tremendous.
Right?
Yeah.
Now we are coming from the Moynihan train station in New York City, so
Which is new.
Yeah, and very modern.
Very bright and modern, but this is very architecturally rich
Yeah.
so far, and we haven't seen the whole thing. So we're gonna move forward in a little bit, but let's just enjoy this for now.
There's Farmer Fridge here. We actually saw that at LAX and JFK, I believe.
Oh wow.
Right, so they have a 2-train sign, and again, this is where we came out of. We're gonna go check out the central clock. It's 10 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday. Oh, this is beautiful.
Did you see the sculpture?
This is their waiting area. The LinkedIn room is behind us. Oh yeah, this is
actually great.
Can you imagine if airports right now were like this? It would have been so incredible to walk into an airport and it looked like this. Alright, so this is the founder's room. When it comes to the vibe of the place, it seems very safe. All you see are travelers and passengers. You don't see folks just lingering around. This is the third busiest train station in the United States, and it serves over 3 million people a year?
Each year.
Each year.
Including Amtrak and Metro customers.
Each day there's about 300 trains that this station handles. And in total, I think this is Amtrak's 4th busiest station. But just to come in here and sit down maybe for a few minutes and just relax, pretty good place. Yeah, by the way, this is also the place where they shot The Untouchables with Kevin Costner. It was an incredible movie. Now, there was a staircase scene, there was a shootout at the staircase. I don't know if that was that staircase, but I can totally see them shooting The Untouchables in this classic train station. Of course, there's many details here. One of the detail Alia pointed out are these 2 sculptures.
Yeah, these 2 statues are on the Great Hall, designed by Henry Herring. They represent day and night, which is actually a nod to passengers traveling on trains at all hours of the day. Now,
Here's the rooster. Here's the owl.
I found that very interesting. It's just when you start paying attention, you see more details.
All those intricate details that went in. Of course, these pillars are so impressive. Just when you look at the top of it, they're so intricate, and reminds me of Metropolitan Museum of Art. Reminds me of some of our travels in Europe.
Rome especially.
Rome, yeah, where all these details are in every other building. Okay, Alia's heading over to ask for some guidance on where the restrooms are.
Excuse me? Hello.
Hello.
Where are the bathrooms?
As soon as you go to the doors there, make a left. It's just to the left of the ticket office.
Got it. Thank you very much.
So if you are coming here to check out this beautiful historic building, I'm going to highly recommend that you just sit and maybe you want to read a book like that lady over there, or eat like that couple over there, maybe even sleep. Just hang out on the bench. Now before we close out this video, we're going to take you upstairs and show you guys the food court. Alright, so from the main hall, to go to the food court, you're going to head towards to all trains, and then there are signs that will take you upstairs. Love this ad campaign by Hermes. Made the place very colorful. Right here are all the vending machines, but if you want to skip the vending machines and go straight to food court, just follow along the vending machine, and there are some escalators right ahead. And the food court sign is right up above.
Is it?
So right behind you is Jersey Mike's.
Yeah, this is a very huge food court. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, like it's like a mall,
Yeah.
and kind of reminds me of like one of those Vegas casino malls.
Yeah, it does.
Like Mirage. No, not Mirage. What's our favorite one?
favorite
New York,
one?
New York. No, not New York, New York. But you know, one of those.
Something like
yeah.
that. Not one of our favorite ones, but something like
Excalibur.
Excalibur. Yeah.
Food court, yeah.
Yes.
You have the Chicago News Now, you have Starbucks, Auntie Anne's, and Robinson's Ribs. It is a little crowded, but let's go forward. You're gonna see Jamba Juice and McDonald's up ahead. Now, sitting area here is quite a lot, but quite packed as well. They have Nuts on Clark's. They also have Chick-fil-A, but it's Sunday, so it's closed. And Sbarro. Everybody here is eating the Sbarro pizza. There's McDonald's there. Turn around, Dunkin' Donuts, which is closed.
What do you want?
So the kids voted, it's not going to be pizza, it'll be pretzels. So we got Auntie Anne's.
Hey, but did they get caramel? Yeah, they got caramel. Good.
Oh, I'll get...
Oh,
Okay, I'm going to have some. I'm going to have some.
oh, you have to smell it.
I know.
Okay, let me get some napkins.
It always smells like that. And it always smells good.
That smells
Oh
delicious.
my God.
Alright, Alia, how was your Auntie Anne's? Good?
I just need a bed now.
Yeah, we have been eating since 6 a.m. But nice spot, Amtrak, Auntie Anne's.
So this is going to be it from Union Station, Chicago. If you were here, don't forget to spend some time at the Great Hall, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye for now!
Guys, the outside of the Mohican station is very architectural.
That's true, yes.